What is this material nature? The nature is also explained. The nature, material nature, is explained in the Bhagavad-gītā as inferior, inferior Prakriti. Inferior Prakriti and the living entities are explained as the superior Prakriti. Prakriti means which is controlled, which is under Prakriti. Real meaning of Prakriti is woman or a female, just like a husband controls the activities of his wife. Similarly, Prakriti is also subordinate, predominated. The Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is the predominator, and this Prakriti, both the living entities and the material nature, they are different Prakritis or predominated, controlled by the Supreme. So, according to Bhagavad-gītā, the living entity, although they are parts and parcels of the Supreme Lord, they are taken as Prakriti. This clearly mentioned in the 7th chapter of the Bhagavad-gītā. Aparayam itasu vidhi apara. This material nature is apara. Yeah, itasu. And beyond this, there is another Prakriti. And what is that Prakriti? Jiva bhuta. So, this Prakriti, the constitution of this Prakriti, is constituted by three qualities: the mode of goodness, the mode of passion, and mode of ignorance. And above these mode, three different kinds of mode: goodness, passion, and ignorance, there is eternal time. There is eternal time. And by combination of these modes of nature and under the control, under the purview of this eternal time, there are activities which is called karma. These activities are being done from time immemorial, and we are suffering or enjoying the fruits of our activities. Just like in the present life also, we enjoy the activities, the fruits of our activities. Suppose I am a businessman and I have worked very hard with intelligence, and I have amassed a vast amount of bank balance. Now I am the enjoyer. Similarly, suppose I started my business with a vast amount of money, by I failed to make it successful. I lost all the money. So I am sufferer. In every field of life, we enjoy the result of our work. This is called karma. So these things, Ishara, Jiva, Prakriti, are the Supreme Lord, are the living entity, the material nature, the eternal time, and our different activities. These things are explained in the Bhagavad-gītā. Now, out of these five, the Lord, the living entities, and the material nature and time, these four items are eternal. Now, manifestation of Prakriti may be temporary, but it is not false. Some philosophers say that this manifestation of material nature is false. But according to the philosophy of Bhagavad-gītā, or according to the philosophy of the Vaishnavas, they do not accept the manifestation of the world as false. They accept that the manifestation is real, but it is temporary. It is just like cloud takes place in the sky and the rainy season begins. And after the rainy season, there are so many new green vegetation all over the field we can see. And as soon as the rainy season is finished, cloud is vanquished. Generally, gradually, all this vegetation dry up, and again the land becomes barren. Similarly, this material manifestation takes place at a certain interval. We will understand it, we will know it from the pages of the Bhagavad-gītā. Bhutta bhutta praliyate. These manifestation becomes magnificent at a certain interval, and again it disappears. That is the work of the Prakṛti. But it is working eternally. That Prakṛti is eternal. It is not false, because the Lord has accepted Mama Prakṛti, my Prakṛti. Aparayam kitastu vidhi me Prakṛti param. Bhinna Prakṛti. Bhinna Prakṛti, apara Prakṛti. This material nature is a separate energy of the Supreme Lord, and living entities, they are also energy of the Supreme Lord, but they are not separated. They are eternally related. So, the Lord, the living entity, the nature, material nature, and time, they are all eternal. But the other item, karma, is not eternal. The effects of karma or activity may be very old. We are suffering or enjoying the results of our activities from a time immemorial, but still we can change the result of our karma or activity. That will depend on our perfect knowledge. We are engaged in various activities, undoubtedly, but we do not know what sort of activities we shall adopt that will give us relief from the actions and reactions of all activity. That is also explained in the Bhagavad-gītā.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuddha habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao 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 prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti Vedantanam Ebe Sartha